This go around, I was like, first of all, let's give your hair a break for one. I'm living my life right now. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new, hi, my name is Shanny Stephens. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here on my channel, and I'm also a makeup artist, so if you're interested in any of that, definitely subscribe before you leave. I would greatly appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I washed and styled this hair. Excuse me, I'm pulling up the name of the wig because I actually forgot the name of the wig. But this is the Magic Dry and Wet Curly 2-in-1 style V-part wig, and I got it in the inches 22. Now, in the title of the wig, it says that it's curly, but I did forget that this was a curly unit until I washed it. I have 2 units on the way, so I just forgot that it was curly. But I'm glad that it was curly because it just gives me more texture to work with. Y'all know, if you're a curly girl, just in general, the humidity is giving frizz city over here. I do try to keep the frizziness at bay, but it really don't be working. If you watch my vlogs, it don't be working. So this is how the hair is looking. I'm kind of feeling myself, okay? Just a little bit. No, a lot. I'm feeling myself a lot. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video because I'm rambling at this point. So yeah, thank you so much UNicehair for sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate y'all. And if you guys have any more questions for me by the end of the video, just leave them down below and I will get back to you. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the video. Yeah.
Are you working, baby? Are you working tonight? 'Cause I got a brand new bag, oh yeah. I just touched down in Miami, babe. Make it rain on your stage any given Sunday. The baddest bitch that's in the mirror wants to love somebody, started right. We just talk for months about it, what she wanna splurge, just for a lot of fun. I'm throwing a paper tantrum at the club. Are you working tonight? Make it rain on your stage any given Sunday. Shit's presidential, got you stimulated. Till you want more than famous.
Alright y'all, so I just finished washing and blowing my hair back out. If you guys are interested in how I got it to this point, I will link my most recent silk press routine in my cards so you guys can see what I do and what products I use. And I also did the same thing to the wig as well because I like to, you know, just wash the unit and see, you know, what it's looking like. But I was pleasantly surprised that this wig is actually curly. Was not expecting that at all. But I appreciate it because when I was doing the hair, when I first pulled it out of the box, I was like, straight hair don't ever get frizzy. So when I washed it, I was just like, oh, it's actually curly. But I'm glad that it's curly because it gives me some texture to work with. It would just blend way more with my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair off and put the wig on and show you guys that whole process, and then go ahead and curl it and do all the things to it. I'm going to do a middle part because I've been wearing side parts literally for a year. I think the last time I had a middle part, or actually wore a middle part, was like when I was wearing my clip ins a year ago. Anyways, enough of my talking. Yeah, I just put the thing on the floor. Yeah, let's go ahead and part my hair off and then put this wig on and just figure out how I'm gonna style it. Okay, so the wig came a little bit bigger than my head, so all I did was tighten the inside adjustable straps, and that worked fine. And this is the top of the wig. It has lace and it lays super flat. I just wanted to show y'all a close-up of how it looks up top because in my opinion, this is why the wig lays so flat to my head. Of course, I want to make sure that I'm braiding my hair as neat as possible so the wig can lay down flat. But this wig lays flat because of how it is constructed, and I really am enjoying these type of wigs. Alright, so now that I've done my braid down, tighten the back of the wig to make sure it fits onto my head, I'm just going to go ahead and clip on the wig now, and I'm just going to comb the combs into my braids and then clip them down to make sure it's secured. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, of course, and just make sure the wig is not like tugging on my hair. And then I'm just going to take the combs in the back and make sure the combs are secured under my braids. And then I'm just going to take down my leave out and see how it's looking before I adjust the wig a little bit more. So this is how my leave out is looking. It's blending into the wig really, really nicely. The only thing that I would tweak a little bit is the color of this wig. It is dark, but it's not darker than my hair. So I probably need to invest in some dye. I tell y'all this like every hair video. I never dye the wigs. I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna start because usually when I do get wigs, they're always a little bit too lighter than my hair, and I want it to blend seamlessly, you know? So now that I see that the wig and my leave out is blending well together, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the combs on the sides of the wig and secure them into my braids. But I just got one question for you. Are you working, baby? Are you working tonight? I got a brand new bag. Now that the wig is on and I'm feeling it, some of the ways that I would wear it if I didn't have time to style it and curl it is just tuck it behind my ears and wear it like this. Some of y'all be asking me why I don't ever wear it in its blowout state, like why I don't ever wear my hair just blown out. It's because my hair will revert. By the time I step outside, it's going to be super poofy. So wearing it in the blowout state is not for me. My hair is just not is not going to stay in its blown out state. It's going to revert back to curly. For me, if I straighten my hair, it keeps it straight a little bit longer. Yes, it's going to frizz out, but it's better than me wearing it in its blowout state because it's not going to stay looking like that. So I always have to put heat on my hair in order for it to stay somewhat straight. So another way that I would wear my hair is just pull back in a low claw clip, just like that. Nothing too serious. This is if I didn't have time to like style my hair for real. I would always still put heat on my leave out just to keep it somewhat straight. And then I will also style it in a low ponytail or a bun just to get it out of my way, especially for work. If I wanted something more low maintenance and out of my face, this is a good style to do. Or if I wanted to go out to dinner or something like that, you want something more classic and just sleek, a low ponytail or bun will always do the trick. So before I get into straightening out my leave out and curling this unit, I just want to show you guys the texture of the wig and how it's looking without all of the cuts and all of the things. But this is how the wig is looking. My parting area is flat and it's blending well. Towards the back of my parting, you can kind of see the wig peeking through, but I think it's still fine. I don't think anybody will notice for real, unless you're like staring at the top of my head. And I'm 5'10", so not a lot of people are taller than me unless it's a man and they don't be saying nothing. So I think it's all good over here. No flame, I'm blowing out matches. Mustang, you come with no handles. She in love, I wonder what happened. Are you working, baby? Are you working? Moving into straightening my leave out and then curling and styling this unit. I'm straightening my leave out on 430 degrees, and I'm going to touch over my roots about 3 to 4 times and then pass through my hair once. And that pretty much does it with straightening my hair. And then I'm just going to comb my leave out over the unit and see how it's looking all together. And as you guys can see, the wig is dark, but it's not darker than my hair. So I definitely need to just start ordering a 1B unit or dyeing these units that come. This is how the top of the wig is looking. And you can kind of see where the wig starts behind my parting area. But that could be fixed with a little bit more leave out. And I think that would solve that issue, but I honestly didn't fix it. I just left it as is. Now that my leave out is straightened out, which didn't take me long at all, I literally have a slither of my hair out, so it didn't take me long. So I'm just gonna go into curling the hair, and I'm using my 1.5-inch curling iron. I'm not sure. I will put this specific one that I have down below in my comment section if you guys are interested in this curling iron. But I'm just gonna take the curling iron and feed this hair through the curling iron inch by inch until I get all of the hair in the curling iron. And then once I have all of the hair inside of the curling iron or on the curling iron, I'm gonna let it sit there for a good maybe 30 seconds. I literally go like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi and let it sit on there for that long. Once all of the hair is on the curling wand, or not wand, but curling iron, and then I'll let it out. And I make sure I curl everything away from my face. You guys will see that it looks like I'm curling everything upward right now, but once I let it out of the curling iron, the curls are going to be flipped away from my face. And then I'm just going to pin this curl so it can cool down and set itself into place. And I'm just going to repeat this whole process on my entire head.
You got you stimulated. To you, I'm more than famous. I don't need that in front of all your bitches in the lobby. I let you come back to the room. Smoke is mine, cause you're desire. Like it's residential. Like it's my house. Like it's my crib. No skills, talking about practice. No flame, I'm blowing out matches. Mustang, you come with no handles. She in love, I wonder what happened.
So, note to self, I need to get some more pins like these, or like these small ones, because I don't have any more to do this side of my hair. So yeah, but yeah, it didn't take me too long to curl this hair, even though this hair is like 22 inches. I honestly feel like it's a little bit longer than 22 inches, but yeah, it didn't take me too long, about an hour to curl this hair. I'm gonna let this side cool a little bit more, and in that process I'll just go ahead and take these down, and then we'll see how it's looking. So as you guys can see, this side is curled a little bit tighter because it's set, and then this side is looser because I didn't have any pins. So I'm just gonna let it drop a little bit, but from the looks of it, I haven't had a side part. See? All I've been wearing is side parts. I haven't had my hair in a middle part in like a year. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay my edges down really quickly. For the amount of money that I paid for this tripod, I'm gonna need it to stop swaying. Alright you guys, so this is how the hair ended up dropping, and I really like it. Now hopefully it stays. I haven't done a middle part in so long. Y'all know I just had my clip-ins in, and then my last install was microlinks, and I wore it in the side part. Even though I could have wore it in the middle part, I was wearing it. Y'all know me in the side part. I was wearing it in the side part, but this go around I was like, first of all, let's give your hair a break for one, and let's try the middle part. Let's see if it's really doing something for me. And it is. I really like how my hair came out. I don't have any complaints right now, but if you guys are interested in how this hair wears, I would highly recommend checking out my vlogs, because that's where you can see like the nitty and the gritty, you know what I'm saying? So it is the month of February. Yeah, it's the month of February 3rd exactly. So if you guys are interested in, you know, how this hair wears, yeah, just check out my vlogs, February to be specific, because I'm filming this video in the month of February. But as of right now, styling it, curling it, putting it on my head, I really don't have anything bad to say about it. Oh, the wig is a tad bit big, but that's my fault, because I never tell, like when I'm ordering or sending in my request for the wig that I want to wear, I never tell them the cap size. I need to start telling them small, because a large is way too big, a medium seems to be big. I'm not sure what cap size this is. Yeah, there's no size on here. It just says no gel, no glue, V-part wig. Oh, and these are the items that came in the bag. I have a portable makeup brush. If this was like a lace wig, that's what this is for, but y'all know me, I don't do the lace wigs. I got some nails, which are really cute, and I low-key want to put them on. Like, I haven't had long nails in so long. I was looking at it, I was like, wait, this is something I would actually wear. Can y'all see that? Like, look at the design on it. So cute. Like, I low-key, okay. I low-key want to put them on. But yeah, the wig came with some nails. I also have a pin that says UNice hair, or UNice on it. And it comes with a wig cap, some lashes, and a portable makeup brush, which comes in handy. I'm probably gonna really put this in my bag because this is cute. So it comes with a brush, portable brush, and then it also comes with a robe and a little baggie to store your unit once you take it off. And then they also sent a mirror, which is so cute. If you know me, you know I really like hearts. I'm literally throwing this in my bag. I'm so geeked about this mirror. Like, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And then it comes with this pouch to keep it in. Are you kidding? This is so cute. And it's in the shape of a heart and it's pink. Ugh, I'm living my life right now. But back to the wig. I'm obsessed. UNice, y'all did y'all big one with this one. I really like it. Like, this looks so. Where am I about to go this weekend? Where am I going this weekend? Where am I going this weekend? I'm probably gonna be at work. But this is the hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the montage that I hopefully put in the beginning of this video, because you know I try to make all of my hair videos a little different because I just be getting bored. So I try to switch it up a little bit. So hopefully I included the cinematic shots that I got. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Once again, thank you guys so much for being here, supporting my channel. Thank you UNice Hair for sponsoring another video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I do not mind answering you guys at all. It might take me a little bit to get back to you, maybe like 1 or 2 days, maybe 3 business days. But I usually try to reply back to every single comment that I get. Unless it's a rude one, and then I'll let it sit there. But if you haven't already subscribed, my face will probably pop up here. Editing Shanny, make sure you do your thing, because the last video that you uploaded, you forgot. So if you're watching this and my face pops up and you haven't already subscribed, that is there for you to subscribe. So click on it and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And then I will also put maybe a playlist or a video on the screen if you haven't already seen this video, or you haven't already seen the videos in this playlist. Definitely check it out. Let me know that you're coming from this video, or just drop a comment. And I will see y'all in my next upload. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.